Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Start with a long, low rectangle for the main body, then add a smaller, rounded rectangle on top for the cabin. Think about the car's classic proportions, ensuring the wheelbase looks about 2/3 of the total length. Keep your lines very light at this stage, as we'll be refining them soon. This initial framework is crucial for getting the overall stance correct. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into recognizable Porsche features. Focus on the distinctive sloping roofline that flows smoothly into the rear. Sketch out the prominent wheel arches, making sure they are symmetrical. Pay close attention to the round headlights and the slim, horizontal taillights. Remember, the 911 has a very specific stance, so getting these proportions right is key to capturing its essence. With the main structure in place, it's time to add the finer details that bring your Porsche to life. Carefully draw the door lines, side mirrors, and any visible air intakes. Smooth out all your initial construction lines, creating clean, confident curves for the bodywork. Don't forget the wheels. They are a crucial part of the 911 character. Ensure they are perfectly round and add the brake calipers for a realistic touch. Finally, let's add shading and finishing touches to make your drawing pop. Use varying pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, giving the car a three-dimensional appearance. Think about where light would hit the surfaces and how it would reflect off the windows and glossy paintwork. A little bit of texture on the tires can also add realism. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Your finished Porsche 911 drawing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.